Hi, my name is Jung Isok and I'm majoring business administration. I'm gonna explain what we learn in business administration. What is business administration? Business administration's main purpose is to learn how to manage company or corporations well. In Yonsei University, business administration is divided into 5 specific majors: marketing, management, finance, accounting, and ODI. First, marketing. In marketing class, students learn consumer and markets relationships and interactions. And by studying markets tendency and consumer state, they learn to expand and maintain markets. Next is finance. In Yonsei University, finance and insurance are tied together as one specific major. Generally, in finance subject, students learn how to employ capital efficiently, also learn where to invest and basic principles of investment. And next is management. In management class, we learn how to managing people, just like the name of subject. Also learn about general operation and how to keep both capital and labor in good relations. Most importantly, students learn human behavior in groups to understand company logics. This is accounting. It is language of business administration. People should know this to keep companies' loss in minimum. However, unfortunately, the most basic thing is the hardest thing. And this is ODI, which is abbreviation for operations, decisions, and information. Students learn corporations mechanism by scientific and mathematical methods. And when students learn all of this and study harder and survive through all competitions, one of them will succeed for sure. Done.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Baek Jae-yeon. I show you about my major. My major is electric engineering. Before I present you what is the electric engineering, I call electric as EE because it's hard to speak. Do you know what major has the biggest scale? There are more than 50 professors, 1,000 students in Yonsei EE engineering. The scale of EE major is biggest in our university. Why are there so many people? As you see, everything around you is related with EE engineering. We can EE engineering into 3 areas: telecommunication, multimedia, and SOC area. Telecommunication, the first is the telecommunication area, including the field of communication system, network, microwaves, and right waves area. The second is the multimedia area, comprising display in signal processing, control, and medical engineering. The third is the SOC area. SOC, it means that circuit integrate all components of a computer or other electronic system into a single chip, including VLSI computer, electrical material such as semiconductor and superconductivity. I show you what is the related thing with my major, not what is EE engineering. I don't know exactly what it is, but now you can see my major as so important thing. After graduation, 48% get the jobs, 37% go to graduate school, 5% go studying abroad. Thank you for listening my presentation.
At first, what comes to mind when you hear this word social welfare? Maybe you think devotion, commitment, etc. Yes, but social welfare has more broad meaning. Social welfare means that helping people to have a stable life physically and mentally. The compound word welfare is formed from the words well and fair. Well means satisfaction and fair means condition. That is, social welfare is the generic term for organized effort of public and private sectors, and its purpose is satisfying all people's social wants and problems. Next, I will present purpose of social welfare. These are purpose of social welfare: keeping humans' dignity, keeping individual self-reliance, social integration, social stability. Next, I will present celebrity in social welfare field. Maybe you know Helen Keller. She was disabled person. She could not see, not hear, but she overcame all obstacles. She is social worker. Social worker is social welfare profession. She contributes to welfare work for children who cannot see and cannot hear like her. Next, I will introduce subjects of social welfare study. There are so many subjects: social welfare policy, social welfare practice, etc. In social welfare major, we should run these subjects. Social welfare has connection with other science like this. So social welfare is so important academy. Thank you.
That is presentation on my major. My major is communication. There is a lot of text in my major. For example, advertising news, broadcast, and TV program. There are the few things that we need in our daily life. We need to learn about the intonation of the media. For example, we get to see a lot of advertising in our daily life. My major will teach us how to product the prediction, how to design, and how to use it. So what we can give the university the best investment. We'll also learn about how to be a reporter, how to write, establish the news from the television, newspaper, and broadcast. There are the things that we have to learn, even though it's quite slow, but it's quite fun at the same time. I think that students who study another major will be interested in our major after I point out my points below. First, advertising. I think that advertising is very interesting. In the process of making the advertising, we have a lot of different ideas which make it interesting. Filming and advertisement give us another special feelings too. Second, if there are change for us to be a reporter in the future, we get to travel around the world, interviewing different people and cases. We get to experience the culture difference and intense and interesting things about the world. Lastly, after we can choose to work in the broadcast company. In that way, we can meet and get along with a lot of celebrities. The few points I point out just now might make other students get interested in my major. Thank you, and this is my end of my presentation.
It's Kim Jang-sung, and I'm going to introduce about my major, urban planning and engineering. As you see, I am an engineer, and we study about problems that occur in city, area, and country to solve it. We study about these four kinds of place. First, urban planning. We learn to use the area in an effective way and distribute research in a reasonable way. In this way, we plan a desirable city. Second, we learn about the urban transportation. In this site, we design the traffic to transport in efficient way. Third is urban design. In this part, we learn to design the city to preserve and develop. The last is urban environment and information. We learn to improve the city, dwell from various environment problems, and understand about the information on the spatial data. After graduate, we enter into these fields. Thank you for listening my presentation.
My name is Kim Dae-gyun. I am engineering student who are very few people in this class. My major is civil and environment engineering. As you can see, my major have two parts. One is civil engineering and another is environment engineering. First, I introduce my first major that are civil engineering. Civil engineering have three parts. First is preservation, second is deterioration, third is development management. However, I am second semester, therefore I don't learn this difficult thing yet. Then what learn in in first and second semester, I will show you my basic major class. Sorry. Here. This is Spaghetti Bridge. Shortly introduce, this is our team. Midpoint of the bridge connect the weight and endure. Our team endure 30 kilograms. Break. Second major is environment engineering. This part is academic research in order to solve the environmental problem such as air and water, waste, soil and marine pollution prevention, and noise and prevention pollution prevention. Frankly, I don't know where. What learn in environment engineering? First is how to save the earth, and second, how to minimize the pollution, and etc. Thank you.
Hi,